Today I'm going to talk about the O shot as a holistic approach to helping with incontinence and sexual dysfunction. Women often have problems with urinary leakage when they cough or sneeze, and they often have problems related to just not enjoying sex anymore. And this commonly occurs after having children or other changes that occur with just the process of being a woman. There are a lot of things that have been tried over the years. For bladder leakage, there's sling technology where a safe material is inserted surgically into your body, but it's still made out of plastic. For sexual dysfunction, it's very common that doctors evaluate hormones and give synthetic hormones to help a woman's sex drive. And these things can work to some degree. But there's new technology using platelet-rich plasma, which is a substance that enables tissue to grow that's directly isolated from your bloodstream. We just take a tube of blood from your body and we spin it in a centrifuge, and we pull out the healing properties in your bloodstream, which are in the platelet-rich plasma, and we inject that in a painless way in an office setting into the parts of the body that cause bladder leakage and also cause sexual dysfunction. This procedure is safe. The procedure itself only takes about 5 minutes, although it takes about 25 minutes to isolate the blood products and to prepare them for the injection. The injection is done in a painless way because we use topical medicine and a little bit of local injection, and a patient can immediately resume normal activities upon leaving the office. So if you're interested in hearing more about this, call our office, and we'd be happy to teach you more about this and talk to you about what your options are.